All right, listen up, guys. So I've just grabbed this logo. I've literally copied and pasted it into my Illustrator document. Now, as it is, it comes up with this section here. It tells me that it's an image, and it tells me I've got a few different options of what I want to do. Now, I want to trace this image so that I get purely that B or the red area so that I can laser cut it. So I can go down here, it's image trace, it's up here as well. So if I click on that, it should trace the result for me. Notice how it's in black and white. Now you can determine with this little bar up here the details of that tracing. So you have a threshold, which you can lower, which means it's basically not there, but you can raise it till it starts to come and it's more refined. You'll typically find when it goes all the way up, it actually distorts it, so it's actually almost out of the way with a lot of images. Logo bases aren't too bad. You can choose to view the tracing result. You can view it with outlines or with the source image, and you can choose a preset. So you can go 3 colors, black and white logo. Honestly, try working with each of these. You'll find that some work better than others for image specific. So this is going to choose different paths for me. And my computer's, okay, back to normal. Now I can ignore white as well. So if I don't want that on there, it shows me that I just have the original shape. You don't have to do that. This is just an option if it's like a vector base. Now then the next step is to make sure that you expand the image. Now you'll notice that it's shrunk it to just the B inside a circle. Now if I get my direct selection tool, I should be able to drag a part of the logo away from itself. Notice how it's separated it? Now I can just put it back together, highlight it, and then move it back into the section. I can then hold down shift to keep the same ratio. If I want it to be in the middle, I can center it. Now obviously it's got a stroke that is not in our document. So I'm just going to go fill it with black here and then make the stroke 1. That way the laser will know to etch that into the program. If I copy that back into the laser template, so if I want that to be in here, for example, when I go to do that, you'll have this on your document. You need to make sure that the black is this one here. Now, the red line that we're going to be using is this one here. Does that make sense? Okay, cool.